Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete private server in Roblox. So let's start by opening up our Roblox app right here. You can do that both on mobile and your PC or even browser. Using your browser you can do that. So how are you going to delete your private server? Well, you cannot actually delete it. You're just going to deactivate it, configure it. So let's just get into the video so you get understand more. So we're going to delete it. So I'm using my Plants vs Brain Rots right here, and scroll down. You can see servers right here, so you click on servers. So it's loading up, and as you can see, this is my server, my private server, and it's on. So how are we going to do that? You can see this 3 dot right here. You're going to click on that 3 dots right there, configure, and so this is what it's going to show. What you just need to do is turn this off, allow joining. So you just turn it off, right? Turn it off, and you go back, click on this to go back, go back right there. Right, so you're going to see how it's going to look like now. You can see the inactive right here. So meaning this your private server has automatically stopped, deactivated. So you cannot actually delete it totally, but you can actually deactivate it. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.